Welcome to Education Without Borders. We want to just demonstrate a few ideas of how you can turn your space into a very, very compact place where you have very small functions. So this area, we are in Kenya, a place called Kinago, where we want to demonstrate that you can convert a place into a very, very beautiful place. So we are here, we were in a function where we were remembering one of us who left us, and a memory is always a very good thing. But it's also important to admire environments. As you can see, this grass is called Pemba grass. It's very good grass if you want to plant below trees where there are shades. Then these are other types of trees. Cactus do very well, and they form a very good environmental area. If you breathe, the air around here is very, very healthy, and we have all manner of trees. Therefore, when you have a piece of land, feel free to convert it to a place where people can come and have a lot of peace. This also is a small house where pigeons can find their way, and little birds, as you can see. So we have integrated nature with beauty, and this is the art of living. So follow me as I take you to another part of this beautiful scenery. Again, this is Education Without Borders, where we want to show you how to enjoy your environment up country. We're in a place called Kinangop in Nyandarua County, Kenya. Thank you for watching.